Guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to add photos in Widgetsmith app on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get started. So first thing, you just need to open the Widgetsmith app if you have downloaded. If not, you can just download it from your app store very easily, and after that just need to open the Widgetsmith app, which is launched on already in your app. Now this is the very first homepage of this app. Here you can see the various size of widgets are available, like it's available in small, medium, large, many one. So if I would like to choose the large widget size, to choose it, here you can see the option add large widget. Just need to click on this option add. Now you can just choose your photos. You just have to click on this option photo, and here you can see the various option available, like choose from photos, choose from files, or you can also drop your photo here and it will automatically will appear here. So I would like to go with the option choose from photos. Click on this option choose from photos, which is highlighted in color green, and now here you can see the various photos available. From all of these, I would like to choose this photo, and see your photos have been appeared in Widget app. Now you can also zoom your face or whatever you want, like you can also isolate the people. Now after doing all of this, you can save the photos. To save the photos, you just need to click on the option save, which is available at the very top right of this page. Click on the option save and your photos have been saved. Now to add this on your home screen, you just need to tap on your home screen just to jiggle your app. Now here you can see the option edit at the very left top of this page. Click on this edit. Now click on the option add widget, and now you just need to scroll it little up and find the Widgetsmith app like this. Now you tap on the app. Here you can select the app size. After choosing the size of the widget, click on the option add widget, choose a photo. Now your photos have been appeared on your home screen very easily. So that's how you can just add your photos in Widgetsmith. And after adding and saving your photos in Widgetsmith, you can also again add your photos in your home screen of your device. So that's how you can just add your photos in your home screen. So let me know if you need more help about this in our comment section below. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.